Hey everybody, Dennis, hashtag Cowboy on your roof with ARP Roofing and Solar. We're in beautiful Johnson City, Texas today. We just knocked out 3 more unbelievable projects on this block. This one here to my right got a Pinnacle Pristine 50-year roof with 3M Scotchgard protection. The one on my left here, boy, this was a nice one. This was an Airbnb that we picked up, had hail damage all over it, met with the adjuster on this one, got it bought, went with another Pinnacle Pristine in black, really classy, really popular color. And then we finished up with a third house here on the left, the Hartman's house. Each of these homeowners trusted the process, trusted me, and they chose the best system out there, which is the Atlas full system warranty, Pinnacle Pristine with the 3M Scotchgard protection, no stains, no streaks. Listen folks, when you want your roof done right, there's only one company in Central Texas to call, and that's us, ARP Roofing and Solar. Ask for the Cowboy, the world's most interesting roofer. For now, happy trails and adios.